Bakit ba napaka-influential ng asawa kaysa sa kaibigan, kapatid, pinsan, kaopisina? Kasi yung asawa mo, tulog na ang lahat ng buong katabi mo pa. Yung asawa mo, kahit ng ulam nilang lahat subdivision mo, kamukha mo ng ulam. Yung asawa mo, lagi mong kasama. And so, yan ang pinakamalaki ang impluensya sa buhay mo. Your husband and your wife has the capacity to reverse whatever negative things that was deposited in you by anyone. But in the same manner, my friends, pabaliktad, kahit na anong sinabi sa yung maganda, pagka pangit ang lumabas sa asawa mo, you will believe it. You will be devastated. You will be discouraged. Pareho po yun, positively and negatively, your husband and your wife is so powerful in terms of molding your sense of being.